While this case has captivated national attention, every day I come to work here, it reminds me just how close to home it hits, not only for me as an investigative reporter, but also for all of my Las Vegas media colleagues. It impacts how we do our job and the privacy of those we work with.
This set a legal precedent nationwide.
Should police investigators be allowed to search a journalist's devices after the journalist has died? That question led to months of litigation in a Clark County courtroom where the role of the press in a democratic society took center stage.
They uncover wrongdoing, and a lot of that wrongdoing is going on in the government, it's going on in corporations, it's going on by powerful individuals. And that's a big piece of what our press does, protecting us from corruption and wrongdoing in these places of power is because people who are in a position to know come forward to the press confidentially with that information, with the promise that the reporter will not reveal who they are.
Because of that, the law protects unpublished information journalists gather to create news stories. The district attorney and Metro Police argued that in this case, they took Jeff Gehrman's phone and laptop computers because they believed information on the devices could help with the investigation into his death. But according to Kissinger, no matter the reason, taking the devices in the first place violated both state and federal law.
The police department should never have seized those devices. I think they knew they shouldn't have because they very immediately came to the newspaper and asked for permission to search the devices.
The RJ said such a search could expose sensitive information and put confidential sources in danger.
We know that he had sources within the police department itself, within the prosecutor's office, Clark County DA's office, even within the courthouse, within the judicial system, and in the public defender's office. And at that time, Mr. Tellis was represented by the public defender.
Kissinger says the newspaper has been willing all along to work with law enforcement and get them information that's not privileged, even proposing to have special masters look at the devices to decide what to release. But she says that offer was declined.
They basically took the position that we had no rights to assert. We had no privilege in this information at all. It was personal to Mr. Gehrman, and Mr. Gehrman was now dead, even though everything Mr. Gehrman was doing was for the Las Vegas Review-Journal.
While Nevada does have a shield law, it uses terms like reporter, employee, and former reporter, which prosecutors argued only applied to Gehrman as a person and not the Review-Journal as a media company.
If the reporter dies, it's really the news organization or organizations that the reporter is working for who needs to protect this information. It's not like the need to protect it doesn't go away. If they learn that, oh yeah, even though there was this sensitive confidential source information, they had to give it over though because there was a homicide case, again, that's going to affect not just this one homicide case, it's going to affect a whole lot of public reporting that may not happen in the future, because you scared people into silence.
The Nevada Supreme Court ultimately ruled in favor of the Review-Journal.
When the state and Metro lost in the Nevada Supreme Court, they said to us, hey, you know what, Review-Journal, you can just review it yourselves, which honestly, if that's the case, that should have happened in September, October of 2022, not right now in 2024.
Kissinger says the newspaper began its review in February. While 6 devices were seized, all parties agreed that only 2 should be looked at, Gehrman's phone and the computer with the most recent data on it. She says they're on track to give the last batch of evidence to the defense on Monday.
There is information being given over that's relevant to the criminal case. Not all of it. There are certain items that we had to stand on privilege for, even though it did relate to the Tellis case.
While Nevada has a shield law to protect sources, there are 2 exceptions. One is if the journalist is accused of criminal conduct and the materials being seized relate to that accusation. With Jeff Gehrman, that's clearly not the case. he's a victim. The other exception is if there's a risk of serious bodily injury if the materials are not seized. That is also not the situation here. Absent any last-minute rulings or delays, Robert Tellis's trial is scheduled to start with jury selection on Monday afternoon. In the newsroom, Darcy Spears, 13 Investigates.